Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan's legal team and family were barred from entering Adiala jail, where the trial in the Toshakhana 2 case has begun. The proceedings are taking place inside the maximum security prison, where Mr. Khan and his wife Bushra Bibi are being held in solitary confinement. The judge presiding over the case repeatedly ordered jail authorities to allow the legal team and family access, but the superintendent of Adiala jail refused to comply. Addressing the media after waiting for hours outside of the Adiala jail, Alima Khan, Mr. Khan's sister, said, quote, "We had court orders in our hand, but we weren't allowed in. While only one of Imran Khan's lawyers were allowed in, over a dozen of the prosecution's lawyers were, however, allowed in. This isn't an open trial," end quote. Following a meeting of the Provincial Parliamentary Party, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Chief Minister Ali Amin Khan Gandapur has rejected military operations in the province. General Asim Munir's government has launched a military operation in the Bajaur district, which has led to several civilian casualties, causing uproar in the province. Addressing a press conference late on Tuesday in Pakistan, the provincial chief minister said his party and government opposed the unilateral decision. "The policy of military operations has failed," said the chief minister, adding, quote, "Such actions result in the loss of innocent lives casually dismissed as collateral damage. We stand with our people. We are the elected representatives. This is our province and our land. We will not allow any decisions to be imposed on us," end quote. Former Prime Minister Imran Khan on Tuesday also reportedly slammed the military government for conducting unilateral military operations. According to Siyasat.pk, he said, quote, "I am against military operations because they lead to increased terrorism. These military operations cause mistrust and resentment on both sides. The military isn't trained to handle civilian disputes," end quote. Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan's sons have begun increased media appearances as the conditions under which their father is being held in Pakistan begin to worsen. In an interview with Americans outlet Real America's Voice, recorded during their visit to the US last week, said they are looking to raise awareness to get their father out of jail. Kasim Khan, the younger son of Mr. Khan, said his father has had to shower with muddy water.
Tell us the state that your father is in right now. I mean, he's basically a political prisoner, right?
Yeah, so he's now coming up to 2 years incarcerated in a solitary confinement cell. The state of the cell he's in is awful, quite frankly. He's showering in muddy water. I don't just mean unfiltered water, it's literally muddy, dirty water. 10 people who are incarcerated at the same time have died of hepatitis C from filthy needles, filthy razors. So right now he's in really, really poor conditions, and it looks like they're getting worse and worse by the moment. So we're looking for any way out possible.
Kasim said he and his brother went to the United States because Pakistan's military establishment had not responded to appeals from the United Nations nor Amnesty International, who have condemned Mr. Khan's incarceration and called for his release. General Asim Munir and his military government are widely believed to be backed by successive US administrations, which have issued statements condemning his massive election rigging in the country, but have continued to recognize and engage with the military government. General Munir, who has elevated himself to the rank of Field Marshal, was also hosted for a lunch in Washington by the US President in June, who reportedly urged him to resolve the Imran Khan issue. Mr. Khan has been held now for 724 days.